Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. This will be review number 3099. Today we got one that actually is going to actually get eaten by yours truly for a Spicy Noodle Mukbang. This is Nissin Cup Noodles Alitas Hot, which basically means hot wings. This is part of their Intensos line from Mexico. So, let's have a look. Today is a good day for noodles. It's actually been 2 weeks since I've eaten an entire instant noodle. And what's cool too is Miles doesn't have school today, so he is playing with Legos over yonder and will be joining me for the episode, which, if everything goes well, will air Friday, which is way back in time for you, so you can go see it. It'll be the Cup Noodles Alitas Hot under the Mukbang playlist. So there's the Cup Noodles iconic cup in Espanol. And I think you know the drill. It's pretty darn simple. You grasp the edge here, pull it up to the dots, and there's some stuff in there, and then you, smells good to me. It smells kind of like Frank's Red Hot, I guess. Man, exactly to the line and all over the stove, it looks like. Let's put this on there. And we're gonna go for uno, dos, tres minutos. Engaged. So yeah, what's been going on? What's the haps? I've been doing 3 reviews a day this week, and today's the first day that I'm only doing 1, because Miles is home. And so, you know, I'm thinking maybe that music is too loud, but I don't know. So I guess we'll find out. I finally got around to changing up the tunes that I have on my boomboxy box. So hopefully that'll make a diff or ends. So today is kind of an interesting day. Today we took Miles to the doctor and he had a provisional diagnosis, but now he officially has autism. So one side is like, man, but the other side is like, sweet, with that means he can get all sorts of cool schooling and education and stuff. So it's I wish he didn't have any issues like that were gonna possibly impede him and make life a little bit more difficult for him. But he's a happy kid and I love him, so really, you know, it's just a good thing that he can get more support. So but I thought I'd show you something weird today. I did start doing a show called Weird Show and Tell, and this would have been on it, but I just don't have the time to do it right now. So I got this. Looks like a cup of deme ramen, right? And then it's got weird instructions on the back involving phones and the noodle block. And I'll just crack it open and show you. Check that out. It's a power bank. It's an instant noodle power bank from Nissin. pretty hard to find kind of thing. Some kind of premium for a contest, I'm guessing. And it's completely dead. But pretty darn cool. I love it when companies send me stuff like that because I'm just all about it. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. So let's have a peek at what is within. What we know for sure is that this is really freaking hot. So instead of just handing a small child something like this, just remember, you can always just pour it in a bowl and let it chill for a few, and then they can enjoy it, you know. Apparently a lot of kids get burned from cup noodles, and it's like, yeah. See this foam here? It's an insulator. It insulates the food and keeps it hot. So, yeah. Kids don't need that. No. I would lose my mind if my kid got burnt from an instant noodle. I'd be like, why? There's the noodles. Let's give them a try. Interesting. I quite like that. Broth. That is rad. Wow. Got corn too. It came out just right. I've got to get it. Yeah. I've got a puddle on the stove. Eep, eep, eep. All right. Bowl. Bowl and noodles. Bowl and noodles and cheese. Now, this is mozzarella, and you're gonna be like, that ain't gonna melt real easy, dude. And you are right. So this is actually going to take a little trip. Un momento. It's going to go in the microwave. Yep, a little spin in the microwave. Never hurt anybody. Alright, here we go. So, a short spin in the microwave, and here's what we have. So maybe a little coaxing. You know, it's not really gonna go too crazy. Oh, here we go. Miles is having fun over there. we go. So we got kind of a mozzarella going over here. Mozzarella is this is actually low moisture mozzarella. So I think that kind of fits in with the Mexican cheeses a little. I remember I went on a long stint looking for different Mexican cheeses and just ending up with mozzarella. As my wife's grandfather, Manuel, says, put a fried egg on it. And it's hot wings flavor. So we should put some chicken. This is actually just packaged grilled chicken. I don't know. Call me names. Why didn't you bake the chicken, dude? Yeah, I know. Kind of a busy day. That's pretty good. What else we got? Green onion. And then I kind of shredded a little cilantro. And now for the kicker. We're hitting up these crispy onions like crazy. Because I'm like on this diet and I never eat instant noodles and stuff, but I mean, I've weighed all, you know, I got all the info for like how many calories the egg is and this and that. So this is the first time in 2 weeks I've actually had a full-on instant noodle like this. Usually I just have like a slurp and a chew, and that's about it. And finally, I'm gonna throw a little of this on it. And there we have our mukbang ready to go. I am like absolutely jazzed. That looks just right. Well, cool. Thank you for joining me for this. This is going to be exciting. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you, enjoyment of your instant noodles every day. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, please subscribe, please check out these other videos. But, you know, if you don't want to, do what you want. Have a good day and just like chill and do things and be happy. But don't be too happy unless you subscribe. Yeah. Sooner.